Ladies and gentlemen, we have quite the show for you today. We have a never before seen Battle Royale versus a monkey, a dinosaur, a bee versus a robot vacuum. Alright, you guys have never seen nothing like this before. Get ready to have some entertainment. Here he's up, he's queuing up the robotics. They are ready to go. They have trained hard, and they are here to show what they can do. The vacuum is just getting warmed up here. Here we go, here we go. The monkey's doing something strange. Already we're off to a great start already. The monkey is showing strong defense. The bee, I don't know what the bee is doing, but I like it. What is going on, monkey man? Monkey man, what kind of move is that? I've never seen nothing like that, monkey man. The robot's coming for his sneak attack. The robot vacuum from the back. He's doing a sneak attack. Oh! Oh, he's going for the monkey. He's gonna finish the monkey early, so he'll only have the bee and the dino to look for. Oh, the dino! Oh, the dino is going! Wow! Here we go. Here we go. The vacuum is trying to find his place to attack, and he's going for the monkey! He's going for the monkey! Oh, that was brutal! That was brutal! Jackson, the dinosaur! The dinosaur! Here we go! Here we go! The bee is showing what he got! He's showing how hard he trained, but let's see if he's any match to the vacuum. Oh! Head-on collision! Head-on collision! Oh, man! Oh, here we go! Here we go. Monkey slam. Oh, monkey slam. Oh, out of nowhere, the monkey goes for the monkey slam. His famous move he's known for. Didn't do much damage to the vacuum, though. He's still going strong vacuuming. Oh, he's going for the dino, it looks like. He's going for the dino, it looks like. Oh, the dino has got special in store for the vacuum. Oh. Fight we got on our hands, and the fight's just beginning. The dino's getting in the mix too. Oh, the dino is getting in the mix. Oh, monkey man, finish him, do something. Don't you know, now's not the time to talk, now's the time to fight, monkey man. Oh, the monkey man is, oh, he's going for his famous monkey slam. Monkey slam, oh, nice. The monkey slam was just completed, and it looks like the vacuum is slowing down due to that monkey slam. Very nice technique by the monkey there, I must say. Oh, there we go, there we go. That's the action we wanted to see. Oh, man. Oh, this is just too much for the kids. Put the kids to sleep if you haven't already. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, man. That was a heck of a beating right there. Oh, again. Again. Oh, the dino goes down. The dino goes down. Dino, are you alright there, Dino? You got it in you to fight more? Yeah? Well then, fight, Dino. Get back in there, Dino. Get in there. I don't think the monkey was meant for this type of activity. He's trying to get to his feet, but he just can't. The beating he took from the vacuum is just... Oh, wait! Sorry to interrupt. The bee is showing what he has been training for. He's been training for sure. Boy, it seems to me. In the backstage interview, he said he's not going home a loser. He will fight till he uses a stinger and is out of life. Oh, monkey got slammed. He tried for a monkey slam and the monkey ended up getting slammed. Oh, he can't even get to his feet. He can't even get to his feet. Oh. The bee is walking down the vacuum saying, show me what you got, because I'm going to show you everything I got. Oh, the dino. The dino. He's back to commission. He's back in commission, I should say. Here we go. Here we go. Go get him, vacuum. Go get him, Dino. Protect the vacuum. He's right over there. Right over where? Right over there. Oh, dinosaur slam. Oh, that was a brutal Dino Slam. Oh. Oh, the vacuum is giving a piece of the best of these guys. Oh! I gotta tell you, that vacuum just looks unstoppable. I don't know if he was charged overnight, he has a full battery percentage, I don't know what it is about the vacuum, but he just looks to be in great shape against the monkey and the dinosaur. The bee, he got a little, you could tell he was getting a little intimidated by the bee, and he didn't want any part of the bee. Oh, again the donkey goes for a monkey slam! Oh, and the vacuum's giving him a ride, alright. A ride to Monkey Town. Oh, he's gonna drop him. He's gonna drop him. The vacuum's gonna drop the monkey. Oh, I think the bee's coming into play. The bee's coming into the mix. Oh, the bee crashes with the vacuum. Look how he left the monkey. He's doing a gosh darn headstand, it looks like. Man, that is too bad for the monkey. What about the bee, Jackson? The bee. The vacuum. Must have heard what I was saying about him being intimidated by the bee, and he's showing I ain't afraid of nothing, not no bee. Oh, the monkey. I think we need to call the paramedics for the monkey. Oh, don't go after a man while he's down back. Oh, he's going after the monkey while he's hurt. That is unspeakable. Oh, this is great. This is what we wanted. What about the bee, son? What about the bee? Here we go, here we go. Here we go. Oh, he's going down. I got the monkey. Oh, he's giving him the pie. This one. Oh, and he got tossed on his head. Poor monkey. Monkey, are you okay, monkey? Monkey, are you okay? He says he's okay. Yeah, the monkey's okay. Good. Well, then get in there and fight. Dino tap! Oh, Dino Slam! Oh, man, that Dino Slam! That didn't even phase the vacuum. The vacuum wasn't even phased. Oh! That was a heck of a slam. The bee is showing him what he's got. He's giving him everything he's got. He's laughing at the vacuum, saying, "You're a joke. You can't even run for more than an hour without your batteries dying," he says. Oh, the bee. Oh, another slam by the bee. Slam by the bee. He said he was training hard backstage, and I guess he meant it because he is giving a heck of a fight. Oh, monkey slam. Monkey slam. Monkey slam. Monkey slam. Oh, man. Oh, the bee's getting crazy with the vacuum. Oh, man. Oh, the dino says I want a piece of this. Throw me in the mix, guys. Throw me in the mix. Oh, so he gets thrown in the mix and he slams the vacuum. Oh, but he's only to get taken down. Oh, heck of a slam right there, I gotta say. Man. Yep. So I gotta call it. The winner of tonight's event is Dinosaur! 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 What do you gotta say for yourself, Dinosaur? What do you gotta say? What do you gotta say, Dino? You happy? And you thank God? And you love your family? And your mother? And your father? Well, good. That's what we like to hear. What else you got to say? Thank you to the sponsors. Thank you to your participants. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, vacuum. Let him give him his speech. He won. He clearly won the fight. Let him give him his speech. What else you got to say, Dinosaur? You happy to be the winner of tonight's events, right? We already recapped that. What else? And you love America. Good, good, good. You love all the other countries in the world. Good, good, good. That's what we like to hear. And you'll be back for next Battle Royale? Oh, I bet you will.